What's going on, guys? It's Cody.
And Cody!
And if you can't tell already by the thumbnail, we got another toy for the channel.
Woo!
Super exciting. We're gonna go ahead and show them, right? Right. There's no need to do this whole like
1, 2.
This is my very first dirt bike. I'm super excited about it. Never ridden on the dirt, never had a dirt bike, but this is a 125cc. But we got a little surprise. We already have a 140 motor that we're gonna put in it. Shout out to Frank. You know,
Euro World.
Yeah, Euro World. He's the guy that we wrapped the Porsche and the BMW and a couple other things for that y'all saw on the channel. If you haven't seen it, go back to our videos and you can check those out.
If you were subscribed, you would already know that.
Right, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button right here, right now, because we got a bunch of cool stuff coming out. We're gonna do a motor swap on it. We got a bigger rear, so that way it doesn't look so funny because the rear's smaller than
Big booty
the
Julie.
front. Yeah, I don't get that. This is super cool. I'm excited to get my hands on it.
I can tell you're excited. You're Mr. Clappy today.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's even cooler about all this?
The fact that it's already green and orange. Like, look at that.
Look,
like,
I didn't even have to say anything.
Yeah,
He already knew. Like,
I mean,
orange,
what?
green.
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Like, you know the vibes.
You know the vibes.
Yeah.
Them boys.
Damn boy. This is her. Don't have a name for her.
Orion.
Yeah, Orion. Yeah, that's what she's called. That's what it is.
1 week later.
We got a new chain. We got the inner tubes. We got an aftermarket carb. Apparently, this is the carb that a lot of people like to put on these. And she's pretty fancy looking. So yeah, this is the Nibbi carb. So it's got jets it comes with, and apparently this is a pretty solid little aftermarket upgrade for these bikes, and it really wasn't expensive. It was like 65 bucks. So got a Nibbi carb right there, got the air filter, got the chain, air filter, inner tubes. These are the street tires I'm running. This is what I could find for the moment. I think the next set I'm actually going to go a little bit bigger on the rear. I went a little skinny, but I think it'll be all right. This is the rear rim. That is a 16-inch. The one that's on here is a 12. So I wanted a bigger rim so I could put have a better profile, look a little better, and be a little taller. So we're actually going to be doing an engine swap. So this is a 125cc. We've got a brand new engine sitting over here in a bag in that box that are under the tires. That one is a 140cc. We're gonna just go ahead and swap it in here, give this thing a little bit more power, and yeah, I mean, who doesn't like more power? So I feel like there's supposed to be some under here because there's a plate with 4 holes, but there's nothing there. So yeah, so it's this bar across the top, it's that there, and that's it. So yeah, I take those 2 out, and this motor should honestly come out, and these are pretty light, so you shouldn't need like any type of straps or anything. Plus I got a big Thor over there that always helps with the heavy lifting. But yeah, so we're gonna take this out. This thing is like filthy because obviously whoever had it before rode it on some trails and whatnot, so we're definitely gonna be cleaning like all this stuff up, make it nice. All right, so I went ahead and took that bolt out. I've got the last bolt, the nuts off. I just got to push it through. I had the strap here to like hold the engine in because Cody was talking to old Frank, but 2 Codys are better than 1, so he should probably just hold this. Yeah. Oh, you're very mellow, monotone.
I'm like, because I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
Them good vibes is just rolling in this shop. Why? Turn around and look at it.
I wish I could zoom out, but y'all get the gist. It's just we're that big, so, you know. Quickie.
What am I doing?
Catching it.
Okay. I don't think it's really going to go nowhere.
There we go. You just pull that bolt out. See that little one down in there? Yeah. It should just go.
What's the heaviest engine I probably held?
Didn't
Have
we?
I done a car engine?
I feel like, didn't we just, you were holding the engine in the ZX6 in the quad. You should be able to just slide it forward.
Slide?
Or out.
You're still connected.
To what? But that doesn't connect to, oh, it does.
Yeah. Come on, little baby.
There she goes. Hey.
It's a boy!
It's all this activity space.
Look at all this floor space.
So much,
aerobics in here?
so many activities.
We're putting 1,000 in it?
Yeah, 1,000 cc going in from the R1.
Cross-plane dirt bike.
That's a death
That
machine.
sounds like fun.
I want to clean all this stuff up though.
That's smart.
Before putting in the new
I
one.
like the way you're thinking.
You know what I'm saying? It's
Have
filthy.
something nice.
It's garbage.
I mean, it was a dirt bike, so.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this stuff up, but like I said, I'm not gonna bore y'all with some of that stuff.
No, I'll show you
so-
when it's clean.
Yeah. It'll be something probably like this. Boom. Now she's all cleaned up. Love how movie magic works, where it's just right, like within like lickety split.
Lickety split.
Look at these engine cases. They just look so pretty. You could eat off of that. So this is real nice. We're gonna take this over and put that in the frame right now.
For a 140, was it 20 cc upgrade?
Yeah. Is it lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's funny.
Come on now.
These need to go out. Oh God.
Come out just a little bit. Just a wee bit.
Then let me slide this bolt in. Slide.
Where's mine? That was over here.
It's a nut.
You took it?
This is the one.
You took it.
I'm putting it in right now. See? And
Using my drill.
nope.
And just like that, the 140 engine's in. Bam, 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 bam. See, that's what friends are for. They lift motors for you.
Carb. Try to figure some of the wiring, and then yeah, try to get it started. We gotta go get some oil.
Okay. So we gotta go all the way over to Salmons mechanic shop. It's so far. He's always working on some cool stuff. Like the tomato sauce.
Yeah.
You didn't install reverse? So you didn't install reverse? Come on, Zach.
Motherfucker say, how many points do I give you?
Hey, did you get some Earl? Got some Earl. I got some Earl. You want a funnel? You're a beast.
We're putting Rotel in the Pennzoil and
Mixing it.
making our own.
Yeah, that's the perfect oil. Earl.
Earl.
Oh, what are you doing? You're not supposed to go even all the full way. You're only supposed to go 800. What are you doing? He's falling asleep fucking pouring it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This wall as a backdrop is so dope. Fire it up!
I don't need to hook none of these wires up.
What wires? Kick it.
This feels very sketchy.
It is very sketchy. You're on like 3 jack stands. Stay tuned, we're gonna figure it out.
Got it running! Yeah. It took a long time to figure that wiring out, but we got it running.
It's because none of the wire colors match. Thank you, China. She's running, y'all.
She's running.
Motor swap successful.
Right. So there's that, and then cleaning up the wiring, just like relocating it, making it more hidden, mounting the CDI box.
You gotta get your orange filter. So Zach went heading through the street tires on there for us, and
we put a new chain on here too. That's a Pro Taper chain.
new sprockets.
New sprockets. We did the Nibbi Carb, aftermarket Carb. It's a little bit bigger than the factory. We haven't like messed with like any of the jets or anything like that. Honestly, I don't know anything about carbs, so that's gonna be a Zach question next door. This is a Nibbi filter, which like apparently is supposed to be better than just like a regular one.
It looks cooler for sure.
Right. This wire is going to be attached to the kill switch. Basically, when this touches to ground, it'll kill the engine. If I didn't have that, I'd have to like pull the choke when I want to shut it off. But yeah, with the tires, the wheels, like engine in, chain on, sprockets on.
And
like,
this is a upgraded. How much or how
So-
taller? How much taller?
So from the factory on this specific bike, it's a 17-14 wheel setup, and I went and did a 16 on the rear, so I made it like 2 inches bigger. Because who doesn't like an extra 2 inches?
Yeah, right. It looks much better because the little 14er was a little small.
Yeah.
Made the bike like tooted.
Dude, clean that up to where you don't see any of the like the colored wires. I'm gonna tuck some of this stuff up, and then obviously there's gonna be fairings on it. But I'm just ready to rip this thing and see how she feels.
It's rolling, y'all. Man, I'm so excited for like our future adventures with these little motards. It's gonna be fun. And for him to be on his first dirt bike and then converting it to street, like, it's such an exciting experience. Moving, y'all.
Yeah, she definitely bogs.
Yeah,
Yeah. I don't know if it's like jets or whatever.
probably. That little thing's gonna rip.
You wanna try it?
Yeah. Of course I want to try.
So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to hit that like button. Also leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about the engine swap. Let us know if you like these builds. If so, might be able to have more for you, because we also have another little pit bike in the shop that we're probably going to take the engine from this one and put it in that one. So that'll be a whole nother little build.
I'm sure there's going to be a bunch of little 110s on the channel and whatnot.
So with that being said, that's going to be it.